Learn Hindi condition words from provided that to
जैसे ही,
and.
अगर,
Welcome to the conditional circus. Hey, you're about to learn some super useful Hindi connectors, and yes, they sound much smarter than panicking and waving your arms in a conversation. Let's make them stick. Imagine you are managing the world's most dramatic tea party. Nothing happens without conditions. The biscuits are served.
बशर्ते कि,
Everyone behaves. The backup samosas appear.
अगर, तो,
Surprise guests arrive. The parrot gives advice.
यदि, तो,
You ask politely. A detective uncle begins every theory with,
मान लो कि,
your friends may stay.
जब तक,
They do not steal the last cookie. Everyone shouts the news.
जैसे ही,
The kettle whistles. And of course, wash your hands.
खाने से पहले,
Congratulations, you have entered advanced snack-based Hindi. Your key phrases today. First, let's meet the stars of today's chapter. Say them out loud with me, even if your cat judges your accent. Provided that becomes.
बशर्ते कि,
It sounds a bit formal, like a lawyer who also enjoys poetry. In case can be expressed as.
अगर, तो,
Think. If this happens, then do that. Another pattern for provided that is.
यदि, तो,
This is neat, structured, and very useful. Assuming that is.
मान लो कि,
This is your phrase for theories, guesses, and dramatic overthinking. If is simply.
अगर,
Small word, huge power. As long as is.
जब तक,
As soon as is.
जैसे ही,
Before is.
से पहले,
As in.
बोलने से पहले,
Think before speaking. Mini story. The tea stall of grammar. Now listen to a short funny story. Your job is simple. Notice when each Hindi phrase appears. At the corner of a busy street stood Mr. Verma's tea stall, where tea was hot, gossip was hotter, and grammar was somehow hottest of all. Mr. Verma had one golden rule: you could get extra biscuits.
बशर्ते कि,
You said something intelligent. This rule was risky because most customers arrived before their brains did. One morning he told a student, "You may sit here."
यदि, तो,
You stop kicking the table. The student agreed immediately, mostly because the table had already lost that argument. Nearby, a cautious auntie packed an umbrella.
अगर बारिश हो तो,
She would stay fabulous and dry. She always planned ahead.
अगर, तो,
The way champions do. Then the local philosopher arrived and said,
मान लो कि,
"This tea is the meaning of life. Then why is it only 10 rupees? Nobody answered because the question was too deep for Wednesday. Mr. Verma announced, "You may keep discussing philosophy.
जब तक,
You pay first." Suddenly the kettle screamed, and
जैसे ही,
the fresh tea was ready. Every serious thinker became an athlete. Cups vanished at record speed. Finally, a sign on the wall reminded everyone, "Wash hands."
खाने से पहले,
Also, pay.
जाने से पहले,
A perfect life philosophy, really. How the meanings differ. You don't just want to recognize these phrases. You want to feel the difference between them. Let's make that easy. Use.
अगर,
For a basic if, call me.
अगर,
You need help. Use.
बशर्ते कि,
When there is a clear condition, you can go out.
बशर्ते कि,
You finish your homework. Use.
यदि, तो,
For a clean if-then structure.
यदि,
You call.
तो,
I will come. Use.
अगर, तो,
For planning ahead or in case thinking, take cash.
अगर कार्ड काम न करे तो,
Quote. Use.
मान लो कि,
When you are assuming something.
मान लो कि,
He is right, what should we do? Use.
जब तक,
For as long as, you can stay here.
जब तक,
You are quiet. Use.
जैसे ही,
For immediate action, text me.
जैसे ही,
You arrive. Use.
से पहले,
For before, think.
बोलने से पहले,
Quote. Repeat after me. Time for a speaking drill. Relax your shoulders, breathe, and repeat like a movie star who has suddenly become very grammatical. Provided that.
बशर्ते कि,
In case.
अगर, तो,
provided that,
यदि तो
assuming that,
मान लो कि
if,
अगर
as long as,
जब तक
as soon as,
जैसे ही
before.
से पहले
Funny dialogues you will actually remember. Now let's use the phrases in quick dialogues. The sillier they are, the longer they stay in your memory. A. Can I borrow your scooter? B. Yes.
बशर्ते कि
You return it with more petrol than drama. A. Should I carry an umbrella? B. Yes.
अगर बारिश हो तो
You will thank your past self. A. Can I join the chess club? B.
यदि
You know the rules.
तो
Yes. If not, please stop moving the horse like a superhero. A. What do we do now? B.
मान लो कि
The plan fails. Then we order snacks and pretend this was the backup strategy. A. Will you come tomorrow? B.
अगर
I wake up on time, yes. If not, remember me kindly. A. Can I keep talking? B. Yes.
जब तक
You also let other humans exist. A. When should I call you? B.
जैसे ही
You reach home. A. Any final advice? B. Yes. Think.
बोलने से पहले
The internet will thank you. Quick memory tricks. Let's glue these phrases into your brain with tiny memory hooks. No actual glue, please. Think of
बशर्ते कि
as the phrase of contracts, promises, and suspiciously serious uncles. Think of
अगर तो
as your emergency backpack phrase. If this happens, then do that. Think of
यदि तो
as a neat classroom formula. If, then. Think of
मान लो कि
as the detective phrase. Suppose this is true. Think of
अगर
as the basic switch that starts a condition. Think of
जब तक
as a road that stays open while the rule stays true. Think of
जैसे ही
as a finger snap, immediate action. Think of
से पहले
as the moment right before the jump. Mini quiz challenge. Let's see if your brain was paying attention or just wandering off to find biscuits. How do you say if in Hindi?
अगर
How do you say assuming that?
मान लो कि
Which phrase means as soon as?
जैसे ही
Which phrase means as long as?
जब तक
How do you express before?
से पहले
Which phrase sounds like provided that in a formal way?
बशर्ते कि
Which pattern gives you an if-then structure?
यदि तो
Which pattern works well for in case?
अगर तो
Your speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. I'll give you ideas and you can build your own sentence out loud. Say, I will help you, provided that you tell the truth. Try using.
बशर्ते कि
Say, take water in case it gets hot. Try using.
अगर तो
Say, if you come, then I will go. Try using.
यदि तो
Or.
अगर
Say, assuming that he agrees, we can start. Use.
मान लो कि
Say, you can stay as long as you are quiet. Use.
जब तक
Say, call me as soon as you arrive. Use.
जैसे ही
Say, wash your hands before eating. Use.
खाने से पहले
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a whole set of Hindi connectors that make your speech sound more natural, precise, and a little bit smarter than the average chaotic group chat. Today you practiced
बशर्ते कि अगर तो यदि तो मान लो कि अगर जब तक जैसे ही
and
से पहले
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the dialogues, make your own silly examples, and come back to these phrases often. The more you use them, the more natural your Hindi will feel.